Never eat avocados with these 13 foods, it can cause serious health problems and cost you your life. 1. Avocados and bananas. Digestive load and overlapping nutrients. Avocados and bananas both contain a high amount of potassium, which is essential for heart health, muscle function, and blood pressure regulation. However, consuming large quantities of potassium-rich foods together can potentially overwhelm the kidneys in some people, especially those with existing kidney problems. Excess potassium can lead to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by fatigue, nausea, and in severe cases, heart arrhythmias. Blood sugar spike potential. Both bananas and avocados have natural sugars, though in moderate amounts. For individuals sensitive to blood sugar fluctuations, this combination might lead to a spike. However, this risk is low for most healthy individuals. 2. Avocados and watermelon. Hydration and digestion concerns. Watermelon is extremely high in water content and digests very quickly, while avocados, with their fats, require more time to be broken down. When eaten together, these foods can create an imbalance in digestion, leading to bloating, gas, or discomfort as they pass through the digestive tract at different rates. Potential for digestive discomfort. The high water content of watermelon can dilute stomach acids, potentially slowing down the digestion of the fats in avocados. This might lead to indigestion, particularly in individuals with weaker digestive systems. Ayurveda, a traditional Indian health system, often advises against mixing fast-digesting foods like watermelon with slower-digesting foods for this reason. 3. Avocados and mangoes. Vitamin absorption issues. Mangoes and avocados both contain high amounts of vitamins A and C. Consuming these together in large amounts may interfere with the optimal absorption of certain nutrients. This is due to the competitive inhibition process, where similar nutrients can compete for absorption in the small intestine, potentially reducing the amount that the body absorbs from each food. Blood sugar implications. Both mangoes and avocados are higher in calories compared to many other fruits, and while avocados' fats can moderate blood sugar release, the combination with a sweet fruit like mango could potentially contribute to blood sugar spikes. This may not be a severe issue for most people, but could be worth noting for those with insulin resistance or diabetes. 4. Avocados and melons. Digestive incompatibility. Melons like cantaloupe and honeydew digest more quickly than avocados. Eating these together could lead to fermentation in the stomach, producing gas and bloating. Traditional dietary approaches like Ayurveda suggest eating melons alone due to their high water content and rapid digestion. Risk of indigestion and discomfort. This combination can create an imbalanced digestion environment, where the slower digesting avocado fat is left to sit in the stomach with faster digesting melons, potentially leading to gastrointestinal discomfort. However, this effect varies depending on the individual's digestive health and sensitivity. 5. Avocados and milk. Fat and protein overload. Milk is high in protein and lactose, while avocados are high in fat. Together, they can present a heavy digestive load, particularly for individuals who have lactose intolerance or difficulty digesting fats. Lactose and fat require different digestive enzymes, which can delay the breakdown process and potentially cause bloating or discomfort. Traditional beliefs on incompatible food pairings. In Ayurveda, mixing dairy with high-fat fruits like avocados is discouraged, as it is thought to lead to ama, or undigested food toxins. Modern science doesn't strongly support this view, but does acknowledge that people with weaker digestive systems may find this combination hard to digest. 6. Avocados and potatoes. Starch and fat concerns. Potatoes are rich in starch, and when combined with the fats in avocados, it may slow digestion for some individuals, potentially leading to a feeling of heaviness or bloating. This is because fat slows the stomach's emptying rate, causing starchy foods to stay in the stomach longer than usual. Glycemic load issues. The high glycemic index of potatoes can potentially lead to rapid blood sugar increases, which fats can moderate to some extent. However, the combination may be problematic for those with blood sugar concerns or insulin resistance, as the fats could delay the body's response to the carbohydrates in potatoes. 7. Avocados and green beans. High fiber intake. Both avocados and green beans are rich in dietary fiber. Avocados contain primarily soluble fiber, while green beans contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Consuming these two high-fiber foods together could potentially lead to digestive issues like bloating, gas, or stomach cramps, especially in individuals who aren't accustomed to a high-fiber diet. Nutrient interference. While fiber is beneficial for digestion, consuming large amounts at once may interfere with the absorption of certain nutrients, particularly minerals like calcium, iron, and zinc. For individuals who rely heavily on plant-based foods for these nutrients, overloading on fiber at one meal may impact nutrient absorption. 8. Avocados and carrots. Competing for fat-soluble vitamin absorption. Vitamin absorption competition. Both avocados and carrots are rich in fat-soluble vitamins, particularly vitamin A, beta-carotene in carrots. Avocados' healthy fats are necessary for the absorption of vitamin A, but excessive fat consumption at a single meal might overwhelm the digestive system and reduce the absorption efficiency of these nutrients. Caloric density and digestive load. Carrots are low in calories and easy to digest, while avocados are dense in both calories and fats. Combining these foods could result in a heavy digestive load, potentially causing bloating or discomfort for individuals with slow digestion or sensitive stomachs. 9. Avocados and tomatoes. Acid-alkaline imbalance. Tomatoes are highly acidic, while avocados are more alkaline in nature. Some health experts suggest that mixing acidic and alkaline foods may disrupt digestive enzymes, though this view lacks robust scientific backing. However, certain individuals with sensitive stomachs might experience mild acid reflux or digestive upset when combining these two foods. Increased risk of indigestion. Tomatoes and avocados are often enjoyed together in dishes like guacamole. While generally safe, the combination may cause mild discomfort for those with acid sensitivity or gastrointestinal conditions like GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, as tomatoes could exacerbate symptoms. 10. Avocados and pineapple. Enzyme activity and digestive sensitivity. Pineapple contains bromelain, a powerful enzyme that helps break down proteins. Bromelain's presence can sometimes cause mild irritation to the mouth or stomach lining in sensitive individuals. When paired with avocados, which are rich in fat, the bromelain may intensify this irritation or cause digestive discomfort for some people. Potential for upset stomach. Pineapple is highly acidic, and combining it with the fats in avocados could slow down digestion, potentially leading to bloating or an upset stomach in individuals with sensitive digestion. 11. Avocados and oranges. Acid and fat combination risks. Oranges are high in citric acid, which can sometimes irritate the stomach lining, especially in individuals prone to acid reflux. Combining acidic fruits with high-fat foods like avocados may slow down digestion, increasing the chances of acid buildup in the stomach and leading to discomfort. Potential vitamin C overload. Both avocados and oranges are rich in vitamin C, and while the body usually excretes excess amounts, consuming large quantities of vitamin C-rich foods at once could cause mild digestive issues, such as stomach cramps or diarrhea. 12. Avocados and grapes. Blood sugar fluctuations. Grapes contain natural sugars, and while they typically have a moderate glycemic index, pairing them with high-fat foods like avocados may delay the release of these sugars, potentially leading to slower glucose absorption and energy release. For individuals with blood sugar sensitivities, this delayed release might cause minor fluctuations or unpredictable energy levels. Digestive concerns with high fiber and sugar. Both avocados and grapes contain fiber, which is generally beneficial, but consuming them together might lead to digestive issues for individuals with sensitive stomachs. The combination of fiber and sugar in one meal may cause mild bloating or gas in some people. 13. Avocados and garlic. Gastrointestinal and breath concerns. Garlic has a potent flavor and contains compounds like allicin, which can irritate the digestive system in sensitive individuals. When combined with the fats in avocados, this potent combination might lead to mild gastrointestinal discomfort, particularly for people with sensitive digestion or those prone to acid reflux. Impact on breath and body odor. Garlic has sulfur compounds that can linger in the body, affecting breath and body odor. The fats in avocados may slow down the digestive process, potentially intensifying garlic's effects on breath odor and prolonging its stay in the system.